Hello traders. In today's video, we'll be looking at the Gaussian Rainbow Indicator for MT4. This indicator applies Gaussian smoothing to multiple moving average layers and displays them as a color-coded rainbow on your chart, so you can visually read trend strength, direction, and momentum at a glance. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart, so you'll see how it looks in real time. Now, true to its name, it forms a rainbow, and the Gaussian Rainbow Indicator plots several Gaussian-Smoothed moving average lines across the chart, each with a different period, forming a rainbow-style spread of color bands around price. When the bands are fanning outward and price is riding above all of them, it visually implies a strong bullish trend, as you can see on the chart here and again over here. However, when price is riding below all fanned out bands, it implies a strong bearish trend. If you look towards the chart, you can see it over here. When the bands are compressed and tangled together, it suggests low momentum or a ranging phase where trend direction is unclear, as we see over here at this ranging point in the chart, or over here again. Now we move over to its settings. We have the rainbow period and the Gaussian order. As each band in the rainbow is built from a Gaussian weighted moving average rather than a standard linear or exponential average, it produces smoother, less noisy lines with reduced lag at comparable periods. In this period, the rainbow period adjusts the sensitivity for the Gaussian rainbow moving average lines. It also adjusts the color of each rainbow line to make it more distinct for visual cues. Now, who is it for? The Gaussian Rainbow Indicator is suited to trend followers and momentum traders who want a visually rich, multi-layer trend filter that gives both direction and strength information in one view. It still lags price at turning points, can be cluttered if too many bands are displayed, and may give these misleading signals in low volatility or choppy conditions. So it should be combined with structure, price action, and risk management rules rather than used as a standalone system. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below. You can also read more about the indicator, the Gaussian Rainbow MT4, and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.